Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glass shelf. This glass shelf is located near the bottom of the fresh food section. It covers the crisper drawers, serving as a shelf. The main reason to replace the glass shelf is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. Alright, so next I'm going to pull out these two drawers halfway. That would be enough. And I'm going to place my hands inside and lift up on that glass. And I'm going to pull it out. This is the old glass shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And this is our new glass shelf, and we're gonna slide it in. The rear portion first goes into these little notches there at the back, and I'm gonna support it and let it go down. And next we're gonna push in the drawers. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.